Yo, welcome back guys. So today in this video we gonna do the oil change on my Mercedes. And yes, I know you guys already know how to do the oil change and everything because I already did a video. And if you guys haven't seen it, I'm gonna link right here, and if you guys liked it, don't forget to smash the like button, and subscribe to my channel. All of the goodies, and they don't cost anything, it's free for you guys, so please be very welcome to smash the like button. So actually this time, instead of draining it, I'm gonna extract it. I'm gonna extract it with this guy right here. This guy is 4 gallons 15 liters, so this guy is pretty big because my Geo is actually holding 9 quarts, something like that. So on all of the ones that I looked online, they hold like 6. So I do need this guy right here to be able to get all of the oil out of my vehicle at one time, because I don't want to suck it, drain it, and suck it, and all of those back and forth. And in the same time I want to extract it manually. This guy comes with a pump, we can actually pump it manually, or you can hook it up to a compressor. I don't have a compressor, and for right now I'm not really looking to buy one, so I'm gonna do it manually. I want to see how good manually we're gonna extract the oil. And then I really don't want to do it, but to show you guys, as soon as we're gonna extract the oil, I'm gonna jack the vehicle, go underneath it, remove the plug, and see how much oil is left, if it's left any. So yeah, excited. So let's get to it. Okay guys, so this is the bad boy right here. Let's see. I didn't even took it out. This guy right here, it's for the brake. If you guys want to do the brake lines, you guys can do that. I have a different tool where it's actually making pressure going down for the brake, but you can use this guy too. Don't see why not. Okay. Then we get this guy out. We have all of that tubing that looks like goes right there. And then we have this guy that maybe goes right there. Yeah, I need to figure something out with this because it needs to be more straight and not some of that. So, okay, so let's see. I'm gonna figure that shit out later. Maybe I should have, go and get a PlayStation or something instead of buying this guy. Nah, I'm kidding. Okay, so I kind of think that I should do something else, but yeah. So we have this guy that goes right there. Then this guy that goes maybe right there. That looks kind of short. I don't know. What do you guys think? It looks like short. Oh, I guess we're gonna find out. But this is basically the unit, guys. If you guys want to get same exact one, I'll put a link down to the description for the Amazon. It's gonna be affiliate link, so if you guys want to support the channel, please make sure to use that link. And now let's see how we're gonna do this. Okay guys, so let's get the dipstick out. Okay, now I'm thinking to measure it. I don't know, that looks pretty good. I just still don't know how I'm gonna be able to reach, but let's see. And I'm using the one that's more thicker. Okay, I got the full stick all the way in, and when I push it down, I actually feel and I can kind of hear that I'm hitting the bottom. So now let's see how we're gonna do this, because okay guys, so check it out. So actually I'm gonna use this guy. So I believe this was the same exact one like this one right here, but the end just got broken, this end right here, so I just removed it. So this is for the brake line, and it has 2 of these guys, so I removed this guy on this end, and that's what I did. Boom. Pretty good. Now we're gonna do the same thing. Okay, I think this is the max. Now this guy is gonna go straight to the bottle, and now we can pump it. There you go. Let's see how we can set you up, guys. There you go. This needs to be in a closed position. This is for the cap when it's done. Now we're gonna start pump it. Perfect. You know what, guys? I kinda like it. I can definitely do that. Yeah. Come on, man. Work faster. Yeah, I can definitely do that shit. I mean, if I have a compressor, it would be faster, but... totally forgot to remove the cap, but I don't see it really matters, so I mean I just barely did it and I didn't see any changes, so. I guess in the meantime I'm gonna prep my oil.
Perfect, 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 perfect.
Safety first, guys. Even if we're saving money, safety first. Can you guys hear it? Woohoo! And this is 8 liters and this is 1.5. Sweet. Okay guys, so thinking to do a couple more. Well, the moment have come. So let me get you guys underneath the vehicle. Let's see how much oil we have left. I hope we don't have any. And I'm saying that because it's not a big thing cleaning that guy. This guy looks better. You just grab it, go to AutoZone and just dump it there. Boom, and I'm done. Okay guys, hope you guys can see that. It's right there. Say what? You guys see that? Not a drip. I couldn't get it even that when I was opening it. No way. No way. Wow. You guys saw it. There's no making up. It's nothing. Let me even shine for it. Just in case so you guys can see maybe even better. You guys see that? Is that better? Yeah, not a drip. What? No way. I don't know. Honestly, I was thinking that it's gonna be a little bit in, or you know, something in. I don't know. I was thinking that we'll have some, but zero, not even a drip. Wow, I'm amazed. I am amazed. So, you guys saw it. Whew, look at that. Look at that pan. Woohoo, nice and clean. Oh my gosh, I am so happy. No more. I was actually talking with one of my subscribers and he left a comment on my previous video where I was changing the oil and upgrading my air filters, and he said that he does every 3 times. He extracts the oil, and then on the 4th one he drains it from the bottom just to make sure, just to get 100%. And honestly, like, you don't even need to do the drain from the bottom at all. Like, this is better because every single time when you leave it to drip, it drips, and you wait and you wait and it keeps dripping and it keeps dripping. So yeah, I think honestly this is even better in my opinion. This is my opinion. You guys can do it the way how you guys like it, but in my opinion, honestly this is better. And like I said, I read in one of the instructions that it says extracting the oil, and I guess you can translate that any other way, I guess, because extraction is extraction, but you know, you can consider extraction as a, you know, just drain it from the bottom. That's an extraction. Sucking it from the top, that's an extraction. So I don't know, you guys can figure that thing out. Let me know in the comments down below what do you guys think, but I think this is 100% better. That could have saved me a lot more time. Even with the pump, now I'm considering getting a compressor, maybe even just a little compressor or something, you know, just maybe something like that. I'm pretty sure I can come up with some kind of attachment where I can attach this guy to the thing right there and make it work. Yeah, can you imagine just stopping in front of the AutoZone or O'Reilly and attaching this guy and then this guy, boom, wait for it, suck all the oil, go inside, dip it in, buy the oil that you need, put it in, put the filter, and you're out. That's it, good to go. So yeah, well, once again guys, we did it. Save some money, and from now on I'm gonna use the extractor the extractor instead of, you know, draining from the bottom. You know, you guys saw the result. It actually, you know, sucks the oil a lot better than, you know, draining it from the bottom. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments. If you guys, you know, gonna decide to try it out and see. But, you know, for me, I think this is a lot more better. It saves you time and, you know, saves, you know, a lot of hassle, you know, going underneath, lifting the car, you know, all of these, you know, extra steps where you can just, you know, use this guy and call it a day. So that being said, I'm gonna put a link down below for you guys if you want to go and get this guy from Amazon. Once again, that's affiliate link. So if you guys want to support the channel, please use the link below. If not, please use the link below again. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys are not subscribed. And I'll see you on the next one.